Let's record a taxable sale. Click the Create button. Record a sales receipt if the customer has already paid, or an invoice if they still owe you for the sale. For this example, we'll create an invoice. Enter the customer's name, and then the details for the sale, like the date and the terms. The shipping address is very important because QuickBooks uses this information to determine whether or not to collect tax on the sale, and if tax is being collected, which rates to apply to the sale. QuickBooks uses the sales tax for your business's address if you leave this field blank or don't see a shipping address field. Record what you're selling here. We sold a lawnmower, which is taxable, and some gardening services that are not taxable. If you're selling something that is taxable in some states but not others, you should still check the tax checkbox. As long as you entered the proper category for the product while setting it up, QuickBooks will know whether it's taxable in the state you're selling it in or shipping it to. Scrolling down, you see that QuickBooks displays a subtotal of everything you sold, but also shows the subtotal of just the taxable amount, and automatically calculates the tax to be collected here. Click Sales Tax to get more information. Let's begin at the bottom of this drawer. If the tax amount isn't correct, you can click Override this amount and enter a different rate or amount here, along with the reason for the change. But in most cases, an incorrect amount is probably caused by something that wasn't set up correctly. So let's close this override option and explore how to change different parts of your setup. Click this pencil icon to mark the customer as non-taxable, and then check this box. Then select why they're exempt and fill in more details here. Our customer is taxable though. Next, you can change where the sale took place. QuickBooks calculates sales tax based on the address of your business or the shipping address of the customer. If the rates aren't right, click the pencil button, and you can mark that you're shipping the product and include the shipping address here. QuickBooks uses the new information to calculate a different sales tax rate and will even suggest the correct tax agency for you. And finally, here you can change the tax category and subcategory of your sales items in case you forgot to set them up earlier. We don't need to change anything, so close the drawer. This sale is complete, so we'll save and close. QuickBooks keeps track of your taxable and non-taxable sales so that when you're ready to file your sales tax, you'll know which agencies to pay and how much to pay them.